Hi, this is LaVon from LaVon's Kitchen, and I'm getting ready to show you what I do with some of my leftovers for Christmas. So we had ham for Christmas, and we actually had a lot of ham left. So I cut up some of it, and I'm gonna put this aside. We're gonna make ham sandwiches for later. I diced up, I'm gonna make black-eyed peas with my ham. So what I do is I sliced up some ham. I'm going to pour that in my pot. Some more sliced up here. And then I got the ham bone itself. The ham bone gives it a lot of flavor. So I'm going to actually put my ham bone in the pot. Then I'm gonna make this real quick and easy. So I am going to use canned black-eyed peas. I want to show you how easy it is to cook, because a lot of people think that I go through a lot of cooking and it's so hard, it's so difficult. A lot of things I do are very easy and they're very quick. Sometimes I do use fresh black-eyed peas, the dried ones, but it's a lot quicker if you use canned ones. However, since my ham is already cooked, I don't want to cook it too long, so that's why I'm using the canned ones this time. So I'm just gonna pour my cans of peas in here. I've got some more that I've already opened. I'm gonna pour the juice and everything that's in there with them. Then I'm gonna season them. One thing that I like to put in a lot of my dishes is salsa. I'm gonna actually put salsa in here. And the reason I do that, it has onions, it has peppers, it has seasoning already in there. So I'm gonna put the last little bit of my salsa in there. And some garlic powder. My famous Cajun seasoning that I put in everything. I told you I put this in everything. My Creole seasoning. Don't need any salt because it already has a lot of salt in it. Some black pepper. I have all my ingredients in the pot, and I'm just gonna stir them up. As you can see, that bone is in there. We've got our juice, we've got our chopped up ham, and we've got, you can see some of the peppers and things in there that came from the salsa. So I'm just going to put this on the stove and just let it simmer for a half hour, and we'll be all set. Okay, so my black-eyed peas and ham are ready. As you can see, there's a lot of ham in this pot with these peas. So I am getting ready to taste this. Put me a little bit in there. And I took me some cornbread. I like to eat cornbread with my black-eyed peas. So I'm gonna slice me a piece of cornbread to go with my black-eyed peas. And I just want to taste it. Give me a bunch of peas. Give me a big chunk of ham. That's what I'm talking about. This is fast, it's easy, and it's leftovers. So you don't want to throw away that bone, or you can always make another meal out of it. I'm all about saving money and cooking fast. Thanks again for watching LaVon's Kitchen. Tune in next time. Bye.